Water covers 71% of the Earth's surface. It is all around us, in the air, in the ground, in our bodies. Without water, life would not be possible. Water makes trees thrive, grass grow, flowers bloom, creates roaring rivers, steady streams, crashing waves, fuels animals, fuels us. Water allows us to live healthy lifestyles. Water composes 75% of our muscle tissue. In 1 hour of exercise, our bodies can lose more than a quart of water. During exercise, water is the best replenisher, so hydrate and rehydrate. Just drinking 1 more cup of water a day leads to healthier eating habits. Water regulates our blood pressure, lengthens our attention span, decreases fatigue, clears our skin, and removes toxins that build up in our bodies. Drinking water can improve our overall health. Water energizes your body and mind, keeping you happy and healthy. It allows you to have fun and enjoy all that life has to offer. So fuel yourself with what is natural. Water. It's in your nature.